Hello, sweet friends, and welcome back for another packet explanation. I know these are your favorite videos, but they're helpful for some moms and dads, I think. So we are starting packet number 7, believe it or not, and we are going to be working on day 2, which would be a Tuesday if you're like staying with one day as being an actual day. Now, if you're still working on other stuff, that's fine. Save it. You can do it another time. Okay, so really quick, you still have your everyday stuff in the front. You still have your word study, your word family packet that you might be working on. What else? Oh, letter writing is in here. Your daily journal is in here. So you have a lot of things that are going to be familiar from the first day that you're continuing to work on. You're going to have a new reading assignment, so be it a paper reading assignment or a book, depending on where your group is. For day number 2, you have a morning booklet right here. Your job is to read the word and draw a picture. Now, these all have a silent E, which means the vowel in the middle, that A, is going to say A, not A. So it's going to be K, A, K, cake. So I'm going to draw a picture of a cake, right? 5. So I could just write the number 5. So it looks like right here you have bone. Here you have gate, gate. And over here you have kite, kite. Okay, so you draw a picture of a kite. Now, back here, you have some addition. But if you look, this is vertical addition, top to bottom, instead of horizontal, which is across, side to side, which is what we normally write our number sentences as in kindergarten. So here, they are showing you 3 plus 2. Do you see how they drew the circles here? Now, if you're only using a pencil or a pen, you don't have to color in your circles, but you can. So 3 plus 2, you would write 5. Right? Now over here we have 3 plus 5. So by the 3, I'm going to draw 3 circles. And by 5, I'm going to draw the 5 circles. 4, 5. Then I'm going to add them up and I got 8. Okay? So it's basically using pictures to solve. I will tell you this, if these are really easy for you, because they will be for some of you may not really need to draw the pictures. You can just write the answers. But if you're still sitting there and you're counting on your fingers, that's okay, but draw a picture to help you, okay? So if you're using fingers to add, draw a picture. If you can do all the math in your head, you don't have to draw the picture, all right? Over here we have some more words. With long vowels in the middle, we have nine. So write the number 9. Let's see if I can do that with my hand here. Home. So I might draw a picture. Oh, that's a terrible home. Of a home. All right, we have lake. So draw a lake. You can get your crayons out for this if you want, or markers. It's up to you. Cane. Now a cane, like a candy cane, right? Cane. And then this is rope. So you can draw a rope. Turn the page. We have more vertical addition. Same rule applies. Draw the circles if you need to use your fingers. Okay, if you can do it in your head, you don't have to draw the circles. Then over here, you're going to write about this. Look, she's watering the garden. Your job is to write about that picture. You could say the girl has water. The girl is watering the garden is right here. But garden all by itself is not a sentence. So you have to write more to go with garden. Okay? All right. Then you have some super sentence work. You've got some words down here and they're all mixed up. And you have to make them in the right order to make sense. I will give you a clue. The first word is going to start with a capital letter. Do you see one of those at the bottom? I sure do. What word is it? I think you got it. Look. L-O-O-K. Look. So that's going to go first. Look. Look what? I think it would be at. Look at. You wouldn't say look the, would you? No. Look than. That doesn't make sense. Look blue. Maybe. But I think look at makes the most sense. Look at the blue, and we know our last word's going to have a period at the end, van goes last. Then you rewrite the sentence here using correct letter formation, capital letter, punctuation at the end, spaces, and then draw a picture of a blue van. Then bonus says write a different sentence on the back with the word look. I might say, look at my dog, and draw a picture of my dog who is sitting on the couch right over here. Okay, so you got that to do. You have another sentence editing to work on. Look at the bus. Oh dear. That person made all kinds of bad mistakes, didn't they? Look at all those capital letters in there. Where's the punctuation? We all need to talk to this friend, don't we? Make your X's, rewrite it, and draw a picture of the bus. All right. Hopefully you got to your math activities today. Your new one, Mom and Dad, hopefully can sit down with you and talk to you about our country. It has some activities that they can do with you with this. You do need to know that we are on the east coast of our country. And Virginia is right there. Right there. That's our state. That's where we live. Okay, so that's your math activity today. So work with Mom and Dad on this. For math, you don't have a game. Sorry. You can always play one of your other games, play a card game. You have lots of games at this point to choose from. So this is more of a review for a lot of you. So some simple addition. You don't have to draw the pictures, but there is a number line for you to use. So like here, 2 plus 3. I would start at 2 and do 3 hops. 2, 1, 2, 3, and I landed on 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. So you can use the number line if you want, or you can do it in your head, or you can use your fingers if you need to. Okay, so then we have more addition here with the flowers, number line. Down here with the frog, though, be careful. It's not addition. It's subtraction. Read that symbol. It makes a big difference. Okay, so like here is 6 minus 3. So instead of saying 6 and 3 more, you're doing 6 minus 3, which leaves me with just 3. So subtraction's a big deal. It's not the same as addition. Okay, then you turn the page. You've got more subtraction up here, which would be 7. So I started at 7 minus 3. I would go back 3 hops. 1, 2, 3, and I would land on the 4. Okay, so here's your subtraction. And down here, you have addition on one side, subtraction on the other. So don't let it trick you. You're a smart cookie. You can do this, okay? All right, now this one, some of you may need a little help. You might get stuck on a few words. Sound it out. Do the best you can. These are word problems, okay? It says 7 bees are in a tree. So I'm going to come over here on my paper, and I'm just going to draw 7 bees. You don't have to draw the tree. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little bees, make their little wings. Remember, it doesn't have to be beautiful. You can just make circles. So I have 7 bees, right? Then it says 3 bees go away. I'm going to need to put some X's. Those bees are leaving. Right? It says how many bees are left? I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you also see 4? 4 bees are left. 7 minus 3 is 4. The next one says Bud has 10 pots of honey. He must be a bear. He gave 3 pots away. How many pots does Bud have left? So I'm going to draw 10 pots of honey. Now 10 is kind of a big number, so I'm just going to make circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here are my honey pots. I'm going to take 3 of those away. Maybe he ate them for a snack. 1, 2, 3. And then you can see how many are left. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 as well. So my answer is Bud has 7 pots left. Bud makes 6 hives. Then he makes 1 more. Oh man, Bud's busy. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you can just make circles. 5, 6. It says he made 6 hives. And then he made another one. So am I going to draw another one or make an X? You got it. We're going to draw another one because he made more. So we need to add. So we're going to add another one. how many hives does Bud have in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He has 7 hives now because 6 plus 1 is 7. The last one says 5 bees sit. Didn't know bees would sit. 3 more bees sit. How many bees sit in all? So I'm going to start with my 5 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to do 5 circles for my bees. So I have 5 bees sitting. 3 more came. Am I getting more bees or less bees that are sitting? I think I'm getting more too. So 3 more. Buzz, buzz, buzz. So I have my 5 and then my 3 more came. How many bees are sitting in all? 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so that's your job right there. And then here is just some simple addition. If you want to cut the star strip out and use the stars to help you add, you can. You can use your fingers or you can try to do it in your head. Okay, these should be getting easier and easier for you, but these are all just addition. Down here it talks about Memorial Day, which is a few weeks away. It'll be the weekend after your last day of school for Montgomery County in Virginia. So that is what that is for. So hopefully you can find some good stuff that you enjoy doing in there. I know it might not all be your favorite, but we want to keep your brain smart and working. So when you do get to first grade in August, it's ready to go for your first grade teacher. All right? Awesome. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Remember, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out and I will be happy to help you. All right. Have a great one. See you later. Bye.